Web developers are going to absolutely hate me for saying this, but you are being ripped off. Most software companies will charge you thousands of rupees every single month just to keep a basic business or school website online. But what if I told you that you could build a premium, lightning fast, fully responsive website like this one, completely free, zero monthly hosting fees forever? Watch till end to get this template for 90% off. Our sale is going on in our website in party.walden site marketplace store. As you can see here, you can get this like 90% off, which is like 999, 90% off. If you get like for 100 rupees, you can get it. So let's come to the website. To make this type of website, there is no need of WordPress, no complex coding, no hidden maintenance charges, because it is purely made in the Google sites, in the Google environment, which is completely free of cost. Today I'm going to show you the SZ Google sites I had built, which is fully functional, a school website. As you can see, most people think that Google sites only make ugly or basic pages that look like they're built in 2012. And how perfectly, as you can see, like this, if you see the preview, how perfectly it get like our screen, a tablet or phone. Just go in the phone, as most people use their phones to see the websites. So that's why we're checking this, like how smoothly it has transition. It looks a premium template. And the best part, because it runs directly on Google infrastructure, it loads instantly. It's particularly unhackable and it can handle millions of visitors without ever crashing or charging a single rupee extra. As you can see, there is a contact us page also, and there is about us page. So let's go to the larger screen where you can see it properly. There is a section for news and events. This is actually a notice board, and this is the image gallery. This is for academics section. As you can see, like here, from here they can download their syllabus, and here from the any notes if they're given from the school, either until and 10th. And if you go to home page, there is the image cursor also, feedback of parents. There is a contact us page where there is a Google form. The parents can contact to the school. Now, if you're a business owner or a school administrator who wants a premium lightning fast website exactly like this, but you simply don't have the time to build it yourself, my team can handle it for you. We build completely custom premium Google sites with zero ongoing hosting fees. So you only pay once and own your asset forever. Just go any web browser and click party.walden. Click enter. From here, you can go to directly marketplace, like X marketplace. There, go and click store. So you'll directly come to the store, like Google site template and app skills we sell here. Like if you need any web apps, also we have. But now we have full admin panel. There's full website. So directly go here. From here, you can just click try demo. From here, directly you can click try demo, and you can just you'll get the website which is already live. You can check it there. And if you just loved it and you want to buy, just click here buy now. And as it is going on 90% discount. Just write your name here, WhatsApp number, Gmail address, and the discount code. It will be available in the video itself. The discount code is cool website 1990 9090. So just apply here in the discount code. Remember, it is cool website 1990 9090. Then after, just scan here the payment after you get it, discount, and choose file and just select the payment option, the screenshot what you have taken, and submit verification. And if you want to have any customizable website for you, then you can directly come to WhatsApp and chat with us, like book a consultation. Our team will get in touch with you, and the prices will be according to your own customization, like what type of websites you need or web apps you need. Then after, like if you want like a complete breakdown of this Google site website. Like if you want to know, just comment below. I'll make a complete detailed video like how I had made this and what are things I have added in the description box. Like I will attach the link of the YouTube video of this breakdown of this complete website. Like if you have came this end means either you are a serious website builder or learner or searching a like good or searching a good website for your own school. So thanks for watching this and trusting us. You can share, subscribe, and like or dislike anything you can do, however you are feeling. Just stay tuned for the next video. Also, let me know in comment box like what improvements I can do in these videos